What up, guys? We are about to go do some wade fishing. Just simple walking through the creek. You know, hopefully you guys know what wade fishing is. But hopefully you catch some nice smallmouth here in the creeks. So we'll see you back with the GoPros on, because we ain't taking this camera down by the water. Why? I don't trust myself.
Why? It ain't that expensive.
Yeah, the hell if it ain't. Anyway, we'll see you down there with the GoPros on. We got a little here.
Alright boys, we're at the creek now. Let's get a water temp test. Cold. It's very cold. So if you guys watched the Bass Chronicles last time, Tommy had a little bit of a rage. We're coming with this video with a whole new mentality. Gosh dang it, why? We ain't even been here 10 minutes.
It's a little bit cold, boys.
Oh yeah, why? It ain't gonna be too cold today, boys. Should be good. Gonna get hypothermia, die. I'll never get to go camping. God.
Is that what you're worried about?
I love camping, dude.
There's gotta be a fish.
Thank you. All right, boys, back to the land. My toes are already cold. Pinch me, whore. Ah!
You're supposed to get it on YouTube.
We caught this crawdad. It's pinching the hell out. Ah! Honestly, the one claw wasn't really pinching me very hard, but the other one was like balls to the walls. Fish just busted right there. Like actually, a fish just busted right there. Probably like a 2-ounce freaking minnow, but it's the thought that counts. All right, we're finally like kind of looks like a deeper hole, guys. We can get some big ones up in here. My wife don't love me.
Got him? Oh yeah, that's a, what, is that a creek chub?
Yeah, that's just a really.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's a really small chub.
Heck yeah. First fish of the day, getting these native smallmouth.
They're about the size of native.
They probably play like it too.
I see a worm in there, Tommy. You get one?
Yeah.
Oh, Tommy got tiny. Yeah.
Another native smallmouth, baby. Caught this native smallmouth according to Wyatt. I don't know. We'll just smart. This thing's like maybe an ounce. Get a release on this.
Let's get a release on him. It's a
feisty. There's a fish right there, boys. And everybody cast on top of it.
Oh my god!
What, you?
Ooh. Wyatt. Wyatt's Ned rigs double the size of the fish.
Big down here. Big. Oh my god, look at that bend in that pole. Big. Get him in here. Yeah. Ooh. Woo. That's big. Let's just hope we can get him unhooked. Come here. Whip it. Ah. Got him. Oh, that's yeah. There you go. That's an okay one. We could do better, but.
Right, Wyatt. Turn your GoPro over Logan.
Nice. Yeah, nice.
All right, we need rooster tails. Right?
Nice, you got another one. Rooster tails.
The steering wheel turns off. Well, the car shuts off and it won't start anymore.
What the?
Did you see that mother?
Holy shit! What?
I was like a 3-pounder chasing that thing.
Really?
It came. Oh, what the? It tried to eat that thing. Literally.
I hear the whoop.
I heard the whoop. I didn't know what it was.
Literally, if he would have paused like for one more second, that thing would have ate it.
There's the little one that the big one tried to eat.
And Wyatt ruins the fishing spot, that casting right in the weeds. Alright guys, we just got done fishing that little section of the creek. I think we're gonna head down to a local store and get us some more rooster tails, because that's what Logan caught all his fish on. I think he caught 5 or 6, I think I maybe caught 1. Wyatt had one on.
I think he got 3.
3?
And 1 bluegill.
Well, maybe it wasn't 5 or 6, I don't know. But we'll catch you guys whenever we're back in the water.
Turn the GoPro on.
It is on.
Oh, point towards him.
It is pointed towards him.
No, it's not.
Why is it? It's pointing towards the fish.
Oh, God.
Just drag him.
There we go, baby.
Tank. Fatty. On to the next.
Well, guys, we're done fishing for the day. We had a pretty good day, to be honest. Logan caught a really nice one, but we ended up catching a good bit of fish. I never got a fish, but I had a couple on, so I was fishing a little bit bigger bait than they were. So we'll catch you in the next video.
Excuses.